Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to put multiple pictures on one Instagram story in iPhone. First of all, tap on story and select here the photo. Once you added your first photo, drag it anywhere on the screen or use your fingers to manipulate the size and tilt of the image. Then tap on the sticker icon. Scroll down and search for add image. So tap on this icon here and now select here your second image and you can resize the image from here. Again tap on sticker icon and select another image, and that's how you will be able to add multiple pictures in one Instagram story. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.